Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can add trust badges into your Shopify store. Trust badges are quite simple. They add a little bit of ease of mind to your customer. Now, you can add trust badges through multiple ways on Shopify, but in this video, I'll be focusing on doing it through an app called TrustBear. It's quite simple, easy to use, and you can implement it quite quickly as well. All you need to do is click apps and under the search bar, search for TrustBear. Click on enter and it will take you through the Shopify store now. Once you're in here, you can download the Trust Badges Bear application. Once you click on it, you can install it. It's absolutely free, which is one of the good things about this app. Once you install it, the application or the implementation process is also quite simple. Just click on install. Once you do that, on install, you will be landed on this page. So this is a good example of a trust bar. Now you can even select the kind of payments that you want to accept or the trust bars that you want to display under your account. As you can see, I can do 5 or 6. It depends on the country also and the region on what all regions are supporting these trust bars. So make sure you select the most appropriate one. Once you have selected the style and you're happy with the bar preview, click on enable. Once you do that, click on test it on your store. So as you can see, trust bars have now been added onto my product in my Shopify store. I hope you guys got a good idea on how you can do this with ease. There's a lot of things involved. If you want to up the level, you can add a bit of animation, or you can even add other types of logos. The possibilities are endless. This is just a starting point, so make sure you select the most appropriate version for your store and your product. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.